From the moment we are conceived, a divine spark ignites within us. We are imbued with a sacred connection to something greater than ourselves. This connection is our birthright, a gift that whispers our true nature. We are not just beings of flesh and bone. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. Our souls long to remember their divine origin. We yearn for the peace of knowing we are loved beyond measure. This longing is the compass that guides us home, back to the heart of God. It is in this sacred space that we discover our purpose, the reason for our existence. Our purpose is not something found outside of ourselves. It is not a destination we reach after a long and arduous journey. Our purpose is woven into the very fiber of our being. It is revealed to us through the gentle whispers of our hearts, guiding us towards a life of meaning and fulfillment. We are all expressions of the divine, each one of us unique and valuable. As we embrace this truth, we step into our power, becoming beacons of love and light in the world. Life is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumph and adversity. It is a journey filled with distractions and valuable lessons. The world bombards us with messages that distance us from our true selves. We are tempted by material possessions, fleeting pleasures, and the search for external validation. Yet even in the midst of chaos, our divine purpose calls to us. It whispers to us through synchronicities, intuitive signs, and the still small voice within. It guides us towards experiences that challenge us to grow, to learn, and to evolve. These experiences may not always be easy. We may face moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty, but it is in these moments that our spirits are refined. We are given opportunities to discover our inner strength, our resilience, and our unwavering faith. Life is not about avoiding pain or seeking constant pleasure. It is about embracing the fullness of our human experience. It is about learning from our challenges, growing through our struggles, and emerging from the fire transformed. Our journey towards spiritual wholeness requires us to face our shadows, the parts of ourselves we would rather keep hidden. We must acknowledge our fears, insecurities, and limiting beliefs. These shadows prevent us from embracing the fullness of who we are. Facing our shadows can be a daunting task. It requires courage, vulnerability, and the willingness to delve into the depths of our being. But it is in the shadows that we discover our greatest potential for healing and transformation. When we embrace our shadows with love and compassion, we begin to heal the wounds that prevent us from experiencing true freedom. We release the need to hide, to pretend, to be anything other than who we truly are. As we integrate our shadows, we step into the light of our authentic selves. We become more compassionate, more understanding, and more forgiving, both with ourselves and with others. This inner transformation radiates outward, illuminating the world around us.